morning. Smile, sweetie. Today is August 5, 2007. Gideon is 2 months old. Smile, my honey. Smile at mommy. Come on, sweetie. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Gideon. Smile at mommy, please. Smile. Smile, sweetie. Hey there. Ah, Gideon. Gideon Renbert. Come on, sweetie. Smile at mommy. Smile, honey. Oh, look how big you are. Gonna show them how big you are. Dun, 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 dun. See? He's quite long for a 2-month-old baby. Smile. Gideon Renbert. Ang mahal naman ng ngiti. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Eee, you're 2 months old, right? Right? Yes, you are 2 months old. Hi, Gideon. You're following Mom already. Hey there. Hey. Are you a good boy? Gideon is a good baby, right? Right? Right. Yes. Oh, you look good in green. You like the green color? You like it? Huh? Show them how big you are. There. You like sitting on your boppy? Uh-huh. What's your favorite food? Gideon, look at mommy. Milk? You like milk now? Milk. Gideon loves milk, right? Okay, we say bye-bye. It's milk time. One last smile, sweetie. Come on. Oh, yes. You want some milk? Come on, smile, honey. Smile. You want to smile? Smile. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What are you saying? Look at mommy. Gideon, look at mommy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.